Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a post-kit review of Chroma. This is a Margaret Morales painting. It has crystal drills, it has ABs, it's very pretty, and it was 70 colors, so it is a beast. It is a square, and then it's only 18.5 by 28 inches, so it's pretty small. The squares fit really nice and tight. This is a newer one though. But overall, this one was really pretty. It was tedious, very tedious, because look at all these colors and just how you have to slowly like go through the variations. Oh, it took a while. It took me a while. This one took up a lot of time, but gosh, it is gorgeous. So I'm really happy with it. I love the crystal drills. You got like a silvery white one, and then you got some gold ones. I really enjoyed that with this one. There's where's the other ones at? They're hiding from me right now. The rendering on the face was great. She's pretty pale, but I mean that's because she needs to stand out amongst all of these flowers here. But yeah, this one did take me a while just because you don't have a ton of color blocking, especially like within a square. You lucked out every now and then, like when I was in this square, these were all a nice little color block, but say like over here, I was like, oh my gosh. So it took me a lot longer. Square kits always take me longer as well, just because, well, you gotta line it up a little bit better. But overall, I like this one. I don't know if I'll be able to hang it in my house. I have so many hung up throughout the house and the kids' rooms, and a girl only has so much wall space. So I may list this one on my Etsy. That's what I've been doing with my completed diamond paintings, because I want them to go to a home and not just sit in my canvas holder. Like, I mean, it's great that they're there and I could do a flip through and like be like, these are all the paintings I've done ever since I started diamond painting, but they're just gonna sit there and yeah, I don't know. It'd be better if they could go to someone's house and be put on a wall. So check out my Etsy if you're interested in this one. I'd love to know if you did this one. It's not super old. It's not like super new either. I will leave a link in the description below. I don't know if it's in stock right now. I know I had to wait for it to come back into stock before I was able to buy it, but it was well worth it. I really like this one. Everything about it, even the fact that it was just so tedious, I enjoyed it. It was very satisfying. I loved how the drills were nice and tight too, which you don't always get with square kits. So definitely recommend this one if it's still in stock. And as usual, her artwork is gorgeous. I have another one from her, similar style of artwork. I can't remember the name of it. But I probably won't work on that one for a little while because I'm working on a bunch of witches and Halloween stuff. So we'll see. But until next time, take care. I will do a full scroll up so you can see it, and including the little crystal ABs. And yeah, I'll catch you all later. Bye now.